Welcome to another real-life example for Python's Itertools. Let's see how the permutations method can help you organize a big social event like a wedding reception or grandma's 80th birthday. We all have those friends or family members who are just being honest as they call it, or who have strong opinions. Well, jerks. They gotta sit somewhere, but God forbid not near to each other. We need a buffer of social butterflies. We import Itertools. You will need your guest list. You can publicly mention that one. But don't mention this list and put your troublemakers in here. This event planner function will figure out a seating arrangement without heated arguments. Itertools.permutations takes the guest list as its first argument. If you have seen this video with permutations versus combinations, you may remember there was a second argument for the length of subsets the function will return. If you omit it, permutations will take the length of the given iterable. Each arrangement will be checked. We do not want an explosive night. The isSafe function will return true or false. If it signaled all clear, we will return the good seating arrangement and search no further. If there are no harmonious seating arrangements with all our guests, the event planner will return false and admit defeat. The isSafe function is our security guy. He will go through this arrangement, takes a closer look at groups of 6. If you are on a long table, you have 5 direct table neighbors. Security guy will count the usual suspects. Using sum is a compact way to count without counter and for loop. For any notorious agitator in the jerk list, this line asks if they are in the current group. The answer is true or false, also known as 1 or 0. Sum up all answers and you get the jerk count. More than 1 is explosive. The function will return false and the seating arrangement is discarded. Otherwise it's approved. No heated arguments to be expected. Let's have a dinner party. I have a guest list. 22 colleagues and friends are invited for dinner. To avoid any trouble here, I'll accuse 3 randomly of being, difficult. Okay, irritable Noah, brutally honest Jenny, and Sven, a man of strong opinions. They better do not sit together. How many theoretical seating arrangements do you get with 22 guests? Oh, I won't even try to read that number out loud. Good, we don't have to do the planning ourselves. And even better, we don't need all, we only need one good arrangement. Will my guest list make it through permutations and pass the security check? I made a pretty print function with some formatting. If there was no way to avoid trouble at the dinner table, let's be brutally honest, dinner'd be cancelled. Okay, this is the seating arrangement the event planner function found. A firewall of agreeable friends between Jenny, Sven, and Noah. Dinner's ready. Permutations has done a good job. It generated sequences with the guest list until the isSafe function signaled all clear. Should there be any arguments despite the cautious troublemaker distribution, it may be the food. Use Itertools combinations to find a better menu next time. Hit the like and subscribe button for more socially awkward Python in your life. What have you automated with Python? Let me know in the comments.